It was of our higher juicy news. Mema Wibia Aquaba Hadia later than hot news and qua era medi Bremo. And so we subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say over click a subscribe button. Now a barely notification. We understand video for free be uploaded when the first person out was Ebeka AS video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up, now fee. Share ba wo foforo so da when you be here na wo hu ensemo a ekoso Ghana memwa afi yem hwe ye ensemo aba beto yep no so momenti ye sansem ye ekosi ensemo ya beto ja momenti enti de ekoso yi momenti
jandam ni nyina enko bebia. They know the NPP as a political party is being led by a fool like Afenyo Markins. Do not panic. When a fool leads a political party, you are not supposed to panic. They will drown themselves. Listen. When a political party is being led by a temperamental fool, the party will never sail. And what you see in parliament now, or you are seeing in parliament from the NPP side, led by Afenyo Markins, you have to understand when a foolish captain leads a boat, it will surely sink. And Omoji say grow. Anytime I Ghana for say, so when say MP before Jimmy or parliament, Omoji say Afenyo Markins about vetting committee or Jimmy, do not panic. The guy is naturally foolish, and he's basically becoming a one-man minority. He wants it to be about him because he believes the people behind him, and you can see some of the NPP MPs are still not thinking. And the Hestika or the Jimmy or Parliament, they still don't understand where they are. So what we need to do is to finish them kwatakwata. And kwatakwata finalization, to make sure by 2028 I can depart 3 or Parliament, and that is my new focus. Because also Obia Jimmy now man the opportunity to reason, to be smart, to understand the say, oh me Jimmy way the bedru hana nipano unim say they can do it, and they decide deliberately not to be reasonable, then you help them to die. And that is what you are going to help the NPP do. Because a whole political party, after losing an election, you lost an election over 1.7 million. Your candidate got 38.2%. What do you have to be doing now? This is not the time for you to be going on radio or standing in parliament to prove to Ghanaians say, no. This is the time for you to reflect. This is the time for you to understand some of your actions. You have to basically relook at your actions, your utterances, your body language, your gesture. This is the time to have a relook at the way you do things. But you can see that these people are naturally born foolish. That they are still in that mood, thinking, say, they still have power. They can still fool. Because in their brains, majority of the people who vote for the NPP are stupid. In terms of say Jimmy, they are still not getting the reality. You can see an NPP executive. You can see a general secretary, a national youth organizer, will sit on radio and be telling you, say, then you hear the general secretary, oh, this election, we lost it, spirituality, they still don't want the people to understand this. Oh, Jimmy, they led them to this. And that is what is missing. In 2016, when the NDC lost elections, you realize that the party itself quelled in. The quelling in is having a respect. They looked into themselves. They decided to look back and analyze the party. The elders of the party sat down to be like, we cannot be having the same gesture, body language out there. So you saw that the party took a step back. The flag bearer then, John Mahama, took a step back. The party leadership took a step back, and they took a decision that was difficult by looking deep to know where they actually went wrong. But this is the situation where we have a political party that has lost with the biggest margin in the history of this country, 1.8 million. 1.8 million. And these fools are still telling us Ghanaians, say, they have some group of people somewhere who did not vote. In less than a month, they are out there campaigning. So you see the Mustafa guy, who is their national youth organizer, sitting on radio and saying, oh, Mahamadu Bawumia na was Oba. Where Jimmy? Is the party about Bawumia? Who are going to work for Bawumia? Is it the same fools What are you looking at? The party is enshrined in foolishness. Because they still think say Obia Odi party Jimmy Sechema to me. And that is my problem with these people. But we have a country to build. We have a nation to build. We have people who are willing to respect us and to serve us. And that's the most important thing as a nation. They think before they act. They look at us, how we feel before they take decisions. So who in their right senses will say, I am going to leave this kind of leadership at Mahama and this NDC party that has shown maturity to go and vote for NPP or follow the NPP. No, that's why I'm saying that whatever you see in parliament, whatever propaganda they are selling out there, as a Ghanaian, do not panic, because the party is being led by a fool, a temperamental fool who does not know what he wants. And that is Afenyo Markins. And sometimes you see some of their behaviors, some of their utterances. You ask yourself, say, me MPP, where are we headed? The party is heading nowhere. The party is heading for destruction, a total annihilation, destruction of that party. And I will lead that charge. Until the NPP reflects, starts to respect the people, starts to understand that we cannot be taken for granted. We will make sure that party is finished to the core. Because we cannot allow a group of foolish old men and women to take this country for granted, even at a point where they know that they have disappointed. They have stolen from the people. They have disrespected and killed the people. They have gone against the Constitution of the Republic. They have disrespected Ghana. They still do not want to have that kind of reason. They are just making us think, say, they are still intelligent than us. Don't panic. Don't be worried. Feel pity for them. Because me, Ekwameteha, and the people on Loud Silence TV are ready to make sure the right thing is done. I will do everything possible to make sure NPP go. And you see, this is not personal. This is not because Metai MPP. It is because the leadership of the party is stupid. Get this right. When the leadership changes, when they start to reason, when they start to become intelligent, think about the people and think about the intelligence of the people, we will all come to the table and say, this party, we can have a real look at it after 32 years. But what I am seeing now, no intelligent Ghanaian will get up one day and say, I want to follow the NPP. Why are you following the NPP? What do they stand for? What do they believe in? What is the party representing? And these are things, they are hard for people to tell them, but I will tell them. Let's get serious as a people. We are never going to go back to where we were again. Never. We will never go back to what the NPP put we through. Never again. And if we will have to sacrifice our lives to protect Ghana from not going back to the Akufo Addo Bawumia NPP kind of governance, we would never, we would do it. Because at a point, this party NPP did not care about Ghana near Kwara or Nam Street. They did not care. They were enshrined and they were thirsty for power. They killed, they murdered. They were happy and they laughed about the plight of the people. So people like us, and we don't want to help these fools to take us back there. We need to get these things right. Never again. Say, and the way a Ghana near Ghana and there, don't you feel safe? When you hear John Mahama speak, don't you feel honored to be a Ghanaian? When you hear John Mahama's appointment, or share the kind of people he's selecting, appointing, so you're Ghana, don't you feel proud? When he speaks, don't you feel some kind of calmness and respect and maturity? Don't you see, say, you are living in a country being led by intelligent people? So who in their right senses will say, in Kwasiafo way again, MPP, let me go and bring this group of twerps, political insects, tribal, dysfunctional bigots to come lead this country again? No. I am not going anywhere. And the people on this platform, we are all here. I am going to stay until I get to that point when Nyankopon beka say Kevin, that's it for you. We are not going anywhere. And I keep saying, say, yeah, the nokre ebegu MPP. There yana say, upon all the things that happen, yenya MPP ehun say omo di Ghana bone. Upon the omo di Ghana nyina no, you don't see it in their statements. You don't see it in their actions. They are so they feel so entitled. Say, yeah, there was a deep power. Kwasiafo with the power in nine beso. Huh? With the power in nine beso. At a point, these fools, Brian Champon, the gay guy, what's his name? Lord Comey, they were standing on stage telling Ghanaians, Akufo Addo Jimmy Wewes, he was telling us, I will not hand over power. Now Bawumia Jimmy Sujina stage is he's happy because it was going in his favor. Near Tigana ha asofo ahemfo. We saw all these utterances. We knew that where we were, the democracy was basically slipping through our fingers. Ahemfo akese no bofran tuma kese kekam kwasiasem. They all saw this nonsense. They were quiet. Today, they have become the all-intelligent asofo ahemfo. They want to direct how this country should go. In Mebunu na ne Jimmy na ne say, ye di atemno. We fought to redeem this nation, to save our democracy. We will make the decisions, and not you old twerps. Weja. 2025 season in start here. Ahumana eka 2024 na michu chano. 2024. Micha material no. Ahumana keka no. Ene na mi yini Hemens na mi yino. Officially 2025. Me start bibia. Yeti kroma nipe ewu nipe bre na bode bokwasi esa sisifia. Egu memeso. Na mo dwen sa Asante ni bi ejimi. And you used Asante. Asante said baked. The NPP played around Asante to say Asante be a Jimmy. They sit on TV and make it look like say Asante ye moi, a mere political party. A fucking mere political party. Any leader, any principles. Chairman won to me, boy, yeah, they need time more sampa. To me radio so ewa Asante memu na ye dia Asante tem in the name say your political party, your power. And nobody was speaking. And if we had allowed this to happen, if people like us and other good people who were speaking out, if we all had quelled in, Kennedy Agyapong, they be federal court. Do you know how much it takes to be at the federal court? Over $200,000. I deal with 4 lawyers. All these things should have stopped us from doing what we were doing. Do you know? But the priority was to save Kwasiampe now also MPP now also now Udima Temno was to save you not to be shot like a dog on the street because we were being led by animals. Yatia na man 40 radio TV so Ghana journalists both say adanya Kennedy Agyapong so Oba America the Kevin Taylor court adanya Kevin Taylor kind of wasem. And we saw Ghanaians jubilating adanya Kevin Taylor yamfanin court. But we didn't coil in. We wasted resource. We understand. We believe that. It's okay. But we are excited today and happy today because Kwame Nkrumah is excited. For me, Kwame Nkrumah is so excited about the young people who all came together to speak truth. We are excited today because me nana, me papa mame, and papa, me mame papa, and papa, me nana no mana, me betu omo Ghana no. Today in their grave, wherever they are proud because we did what had to be done. It is not about the money. It's about making sure principles are followed. And that is why some of us, we get so excited every time. It is not about the win for the NDC. It's about we knowing that Ghana is safe. That's the most important thing. You people, some of you Ghana, for me, a dirty, mwe Jimmy. Ya come when you man ya moya, mine say nine. Muni munyansa. Mama Nkwasi for the 8 years, I ran them down. No ministry in Ghana has money you can work with. No ministry. Me say wa opese me yes scandal no. MPP for moka Kevin Taylor. I say see idea. On me scandal 28,930. What the bar dollars. Make sure scandal. But say we nyamba Kwasi ato me fa ma no nkopem ban. O ma dwa. Kevin Taylor we untumi nya foko. Me when you might then nkura mpetekuma I ko Europe ko homu guo se nwan I NDC aba ye behwe de mubedi mubewi amoa Akufo Addo Campaign ni Bawumia kramponi ate ho se mo se Mahama beba enkakon nkete nwan ma mmoa ma mungu Europe wo kanya TikTok aka bum bebre ka depression kum se nwan asiafo mo pegana ye and over TikTok any Facebook I say NDC aba ye behwe se kania beko foma abuo bi kania bia anko fom ye penesa nwan koto de ne bodwe mo ho afiefin munnim nyansa nkurama mo ho afiefin na mugu Europe America den mokobo 9 to 2 hours ba mo sia se bran guguo adentina ende de se Mahama ba ai mo Kevin tell say ya behwe wo behwe wo bodam apete no kura mo tena na se pete no mo ni MPP nkwasiafo we tena ye Ghana for ni o mo tena ye Mahama na Ghana for ntimi ni o mo tena NPP will be in opposition for 32 years market someone from nyansa amboa me yanchechere Ghana ni year Monkwasia tribal party no, it will be in opposition for 32 years. And that is when we will consider. After 32 years, no, now you're yes, yeah, but MPP. Now, for a year, consider in nine. I said, yet, you better shed your best. Said your Mahama, message your Mahama, oh, move a year, petrol nunco 80. You begin to defend your Mahama. Say, I'm born, me too. Me okay. Anna. Yantam Ghana ejapade nyina ma jankroma I'm good ana yatam bibia ma Gabby Mahama oni Gabby ana won say Mahama ebusu for 50 wa ban mu as far as me hu say I am good Mahama betum the diesel akọ 3,000 a liter I am fine because the busu for 50 ni aban mu odwan ana mo gye say ye nwan na egu Ghana ohun ana mo gye say ye jimi o per scandal 2,890 I saying Dabio Mrs. meant so send I saying 5,000 Mrs. the figure never breme meant so oh bottom when you na mugu TikTok munim said the na kwaso na nye ye boni patuo economy na say Akufo the arrogant Bawumia Campaign enkwasiade Samira tina baby electoral commissioner den na bodo mokwasia mu hu fi gugu abrochire so aden ye kuro mu party inti yenyina yenkowu ende mu nyina mu bewu ansa na yenyina yewu me say mo pa 2024-28 mamonto aba emphobia and this be winning Mahama the okachere Ghana for will deliver 30% and this will be in power for 40 years and he will deliver and then the musuro no and then more panic no and then mamu yemu hyehyemo no more the difference between governing and ruling kwasiafo be ruling Ghana nipa fimi ti say Lord come to me gina nipa mu kai say onjai power brane champon kwasia we to me gina nipa nim na ahemfo nyina ye din obi ankasa aden aye kwasia tribal party wo power enti kwatebotofo no de yenye din ye twa mo be ma na mo de wo me ma tintin gram mpanka anka nsemo motete wo na kwasia sam me anka hwe na monim heater ye de ba mo ana me hwe say sometimes nan say mitimi na wa na ma hwe de ko social media ne parliament ana mesre me when I am not that me MPP ankasa to sa Akufo Addo regime way the scandals na wo me nyen wie yo ansa na Mahama ne NDC for so me the 4 years I finish it yes scandals no me nyen wie ye unim scandals e wo o bodam ye wie de wo ho e de ko enim ya pile intimenya wa adwene say ye ko bebia o ya pile intimacy scandals na me nyen wie no e wo say me expose ni nyina and it will take me 8 years o perfofro usika so a woni anufo okoto nkranwom aboa bi ba shege 25,000 flat one scandal munja mo no bleedi me say I will insult if you also like go and insult me mediatem yes I have a reason for insulting and I'll always insult constructively. What was my better idea about them that me didn't part them because nipa bi wo ha amon person badwini se nipa amodwini se moa enti don't think say I'm going to stop I am going to still insult ko bia wo de ne ko kanya mesem go open your platform and go preach Yes, start here. Send a Kwasiafo. All right, now let me talk to John Mahama's new appointees. She, ye be di batema mo hwa yira mo say ye jai. Na ye jai nkodi die. Ye to krum ha. Kwasiasabon kwa. Now let's go forward. The new appointees, John Mahama appointees, you know. And I want to say this. And we had a meeting, minimum editorial team. We've had a meeting, and your meeting, no, this is what then do your conclusion, no, and I want to put it out there. From the day I will start 2025 official season, no, where now your NDC minimum during the campaign period or during the time we were in opposition, we were casual friends, we were professional friends. That friendship ends. I'm putting it here, I'm making it official. Well, minimum NDC, I'm no high friend because I like the course of John Mahama during the campaign, before the campaign, for the past 6-7 years. From 2025, when I start my official season, that friendship, with all due respect, me who I make a high, but that friendship ends there. It's going to be a professional friendship. It ends there. So our friendship, no, is see. So nobody in the NDC should put anything in their head and say, oh, me Kevin Taylor didn't come up paying. Oh, Kevin Taylor, they're madam for my texting that, or you're madam for. No. Or you're madam for professionally. But when it comes to my job, sir, Adam for no, it ends. There's a reason why my team wants me to put this out there. That friendship ends there. You saying hello to me and me replying hello will not affect my job. And I'm saying this specifically to the NDC John Mahama appointees. Mo titru and as our message we ekobo. Now, there's something we want to put out. Advice the appointees of John Mahama. One, mo occupy office bia now no. The first thing you need to be doing now is to be preparing an audit to tell we Ghanaians, office now, this is what I came to meet. Obia with the right to have an internal audit. And Sana will be taking over that office, no. You need to let Ghanaians know what you went there or you came there to meet. We don't want anybody to come later to tell us. Now we ye, but now we need no mimi hobby. Omo shame no omo office will be. And you won't call officer and handing over notes were handed over to you. So it is your responsibility to make sure that people know what you came to inherit. I am not going to force anybody to tell the people what you went to inherit or what you have gone to inherit. It is better for you. It will be in your own interest to come out to let the people know that this CEO Aremeyaw, this ministry Aremeyaw, when I came over, this is what I met and this is what I am working with. Because when we start to do our job, we don't want excuses from anybody. I'm doing this because Kevin Taylor timing. Because I'm not going to take that shit. I will make it personal. And Intina, I am nicely letting you know, say I'm out of office. You point to it is equally better for you to also let the people know what you went there. Do not cover things up, because when we start to go in, we will tell the people you are the one who committed a crime. You have the opportunity to do that now. You have the opportunity to do that. Accountability is very important. In this occupy office B, John Mahama we are competent. When we say ubetuma ye juma no, na se say ko office we are. Let us know what you went there. Dia uko hu ye. Meant na ho. Emma nyoma mumfa also. Emma beka nkyere say you came to inherit this. This was not done, and we are not going to give you that excuse. Inti make internal audit should be done. Secondly, every appointee should understand, say, every department, government office, whether you're a CEO, you're a minister, or whatever, there is a PR department. This thing I'm doing tonight, we will come back to this. It will be because of Kevin Okaye. Some of you appointees, you love the media. You like the flamboyance. You like to wear suits. You like to use words, English, grammar. You like to boast for people to know what school. Or a lawyer. Or a PhD. Every department you occupy, say, or a CEO, or a one, there is a PR department. They are paid to do that job. And their job is to speak to the public, to speak to the Ghanaians. What your institution, the institution you are heading, is doing. Sa rational mo sorry na obia sorry wadani PR at its own department no stop. It's a generous advice. Sa nkwasiade we na mo sua bedu this point. Mo ayama mo office bia no, use your PR department. You have people who speak for that respective institution. They are paid every month. And their job is to meet the press and to speak to the press. It is not your job, the CEO, to be meeting the press and going on radio to tell the Ghanaian on the street what you are doing. It is the job of your PR department. Wow, PR department, my PR department, then it means you don't need a PR department. Secondly, why you are in a rush to go on radio, go on TV every day, every 2 days to go and talk about your job and exposing yourself, we are letting you know, say, hand that job over to your PR department. Otchere, they need to release a statement signed by the PR department head, authorized by you. You need to deal with PR department issue statements. Say asame institution, you the CEO, you are not the one to speak. It is the PR department that is supposed to speak. The person in charge of PR, the spokesperson, he or she, that is his job or her job. That is how you govern. That is how you are able to manage an institution. That is how leaders do it. And into your scale of preference, and into your job distribution. And intina uko edwuma bia ma obia wo ni role and intina yetua obia ka mo tie saade mo pese mo betie mo problem. I know some of you definitely will think say mo dia mo tebrofo muni munyansa, you are arrogant, you blow yourself up, and we will be here to make sure we blow you up totally. When you go to the Jubilee House, Felix Ofosu is the mouthpiece of the Jubilee House. You see how your boss himself, the president, is using the structures. When he wants to tell somebody to do something, he tells you. The last time, Okache Garafo said, he will instruct the chief of staff to take a decision. He knows there is Ejuma also BIA. Every time there is an information coming from the Jubilee House, it comes from the PR. That is how it's supposed to be. In the Saudi Ejuma, now, no power no be PR, one no be MD, one no be ICU. I will help you blow up. I will make sure you lose that job because you are not ready to make sure a man for also muye omojuma no omobe omojuma. Now, Maka media, too much media. Stay away from the media. The appointees, I am telling you. I know some of you appointees are still communicators of the party. When you go on radio or on TV to speak as a communicator, maybe you are a CEO of a department or an institution, but you are still the communicator of your party. When you go there, you speak as a communicator of your party, but you don't speak as in the capacity of your institution. If somebody demands information from your institution, that person needs to go to the PR department of your institution. That is how it works. Inti Adebachi near the Watch TV3. Ebia, we are communicator in the NDC. We are executive. You still have to play that role as a communicator for the party. When you go on TV3, you discuss what they are discussing. Anything pertaining to your department, your PR will have to release a statement. So you can tell the panel, I didn't come here to discuss my department. I came here to discuss what you have on the table. If what you have on the table includes or has my department issue in there, I will tell you that wait for my institution to release an official statement. When they insist, you are the CEO, why can't you say it? Let them know you respect the rules of your department. That is how it works. You can be a panel on a morning show as a communicator for a political party and a CEO. You can still make sure this works. Make catch remo. And sana mumubi mudi mujimi. Ama sa some of these stupid account media for na omu beiti nipa. Omu jinipa no siboni. Peace FM, Angel FM, OK FM, sa Isra FM, Kesbin FM, sa aya wood sa Nkwasia FM for bino. And sana mwa jimwanwe siboni. They are there. That is what the NPP is waiting. They want to trap you guys. Because I have fought hard to get John Mahama where he is. People like myself on my platform, other Ghanaians fought so hard democratically to make sure we save our democracy. Into me, if you decide, say, oh, you're arrogant, you are going to do your own thing, I will do everything in my power to make sure you are kicked out. Yeah. And I'm not going to sit here and make you feel you're appointing to be a rosary. No. I'm telling you what you need to do. Oh, you're arrogant. Don't listen. Fine. Yeah, the Jimmy. Yeah, any appointment. But yeah, bet to me too. Now, there's one advice I want to give to appointees. Mr. S, Mr. P, guys, stay with me. The young people who helped the NDC to win 2024 elections, the polling agents on the NDC for create job opportunities for them. Why you be mau a jumebia appointment biano? It is your responsibility. Sir, in Kwafona almost sacrifice here over 40,000 young men and women who stood still, who were resolute to protect your ballot. Omo amudi omo call training mu. Almost sacrifice here, said they want to fight for, because this is the time you people have to also remember them, create job opportunities for them. Mofa Ejuma, look at those people, consider them first. On your list, they should be first. You people have no idea what I am doing, but in the next 6 months, 7 months, you understand. Let's say, more positions, you know. So young men and women over 40,000 now mo chair omugu Ghana. And opatututu omuko jina ballot boxes on edi omo life. E sacrifice omo life, e protect mo ballot. E make sure say ya kan mo aba. E ma mo benya power ma mo menya the opportunity to serve no. Mo amenya opportunity nya for ministers to CEOs. Omo also omo priority so those people, give them employment. Create job opportunities for them. You will need these same people in 4 years. Let them feel part of this government. Let them know, say, those people, you appreciate them. Let them believe in that. Let them have that commitment. Don't take that from them. The moment you take that from those people, you will lose 2028. I'm telling you. You people should go back to your election directorate. Tell them to bring the list out. Muncha list, competent ones who are capable of working. Give them jobs. Muntieme. Give them jobs. Mama kotina office one cover for Juma mama girlfriends and kwasi afobia no baby o manya hwe ebusuafo. Omo amu wini power no mama no omo da hotitifie. 4 years enche na ba. 4 years in the next 3 years na ba. These people, some would disappoint you, you will not get anybody at the polling station to defend your ballot again, to protect your ballot. You they lie, you will lose. So I'm telling the CEOs, from the ministers, create jobs for these people. It be to my PR. There are so many opportunities. Majority of the people who are your polling agents, they are educated people. Create job opportunity for them. Some missing way. Losing the trust they have for you, you are done as a political party. And I know what I am saying. And it goes to especially the young ones in your position were NDC, Mabaye CEOs, Mabaye Diano. You have to create jobs for these people. Moon create opportunity more. At least about 70% of the 40,000 people, they need to be employed. The chairman in the respective regions, mo amunim enkwara na mo de omudin ba e na mom start and contact your NGO information. You, the job is on you, the regional chairman. Because time and I ye penipa amabaye training. I waste your time. Esua de etumi ehusibia ye hyehyaba ye kan aba no. These are the people who sacrificed. You know where they are. Nobody should come and tell us they don't know where they are. No. When you needed them for the elections, you were able to call all of them. You can call all of them today. The list is there. Omaniboama, you have it. You know where every single one of them is. Sammy Gyamfi, you know the list. Koku, you know the list. You people, computer man, NDC job, munim list, no. Make sure you fix these kids. Give them jobs. Now, it is very important to say about to me, you understand, say to me, and can the person affable power, untimi keep power forever. In Tidebiano, you need to make arrangements. You need to be proactive how to sustain that power. And no nankwasiafo we na omuntiasie. They thought to say power na ekuta omono MPP for no. They thought to say nobody, nothing can take from them. But the moment I obey smart, power be doing sima, you need to start thinking how to keep that power. And it shouldn't be a bad way. It should be a way. So power now keeping ebe protect now protecting nipa na or the 2 minima no. So their interest should be your priority. So omo come who bo mu ema o 2 minutes, omo interest your priority, you can hold on to that power for years, hundreds of years. Obi to influence him. And that is what I am showing the NDC. The young people are there, they are watching. Omo mko say adwuma nyina mtitifie. Me hu say mo CEO Sribia yama modwuma no must start looking somewhere. Oh, we need this guy, he works at this place in UK. I'm going to bring him. Oh, I have seen this person. No. Sankwasi from the UK na wini mo no. When people wanted power, they were in UK. Let them stay in UK. Sankwasi for now just omo de Kweku Asada, omo de omo shu efe no. Those people, they will come and position now on yebe yiwe free ho. Omo se omo hu aye fi no. They need to be rewarded, and they have to be rewarded with jobs, because you know, say, so they will be willing to come back in 2028. The experience they have now, no, they will be willing to use that experience to make sure you win the elections again. Because election I'm winning, you know, these people commitment level and a boy winning elections. 2028. You are not going to go out there again and find 40,000 people who are true to your cause, who believe in what you believe in. You will not get it. I'm telling you. The next 4 years, 40,000 people now using endeno. Someone show me see more opportunities. I'm feeling comfortable. And yet you may be I'm willing to help you in 2028. You will lose the elections.
Waiting for Winnie reporter Abeto Yepunoso, Mikao says, so we can subscribe to channel area Bomodia say obe subscribe. Now feel so while like give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my or for so now when you be here now and somewhere elkoso ewo gara bemwa. Also bit me otchere ordering a fire and some way you know who ewo comment box in Mubati Binkabu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.